I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates were up on Wednesday despite a successful auction of $21 billion in U.S. 10-year Treasury notes. The reason had to do with the transition into the next mortgage-backed securities delivery month. When that happens, approximately every 4 weeks, mortgage points on unlocked new loans can rise significantly on a one-time technical basis depending upon the rate adjustment policy of your local lender. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 4.75%, with 2 1/4 points, up 3/8 of a point from Tuesday for an extra cost of $375 on a $100,000 loan. The 5% rate is at 7/8 of 1 point, also up 3/8 of 1 point from a day earlier. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was up as well, with the 4.25% rate now at 1 3/8 points. The 4 3/8% rate is at 3/4 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout each and every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and/or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up. And if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. Crude oil supplies rose by another 1.4 million barrels in the latest weekly survey, according to the government. But oil prices rose despite the good news because supplies of refined gasoline fell sharply. Energy price inflation can have a significant impact on mortgage rate direction. On Thursday, we will see the latest news on first-time claims for weekly state unemployment benefits. They are expected to have fallen mildly. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here on Thursday morning for my next free mortgage rate update.